All right, welcome back to another week of live stream showcase here with WPAT, where we're going to actually show you the updates of this week's featured traders that are available for copy trading, of course. All right, so before we dive in, I know you guys actually seen me week and week again. So at the end of the day, you know, I may be very redundant. So what are we actually doing here on our weekly WPAT strategy showcase? Well, first, we're actually here to talk about verified traders. In what market? In the Forex market, okay? A lot of people are trying to look for that holy grail for getting connected to profitable traders every single day. And what I'm seeing is that there's lots of people who actually end up getting attracted to strategies that are never being verified, okay? Quick story. I know, we're gonna get into the exciting stuff soon. But quick story, I have to share it with you guys because it just happened about 2 hours ago, okay? Actually, one of my clients, okay, was actually selling me a strategy, right? He was telling me how good this strategy is and that this person knows the owner of some EA website that creates a lot of EAs. I'm not going to give out the names because I'm afraid, number one, I'm going to cause a lot of disturbances. There's going to be a lot of conflict. Unless you guys like conflict, then do let me know. Leave a comment below, and maybe we will disclose the website. So, yeah. He has been trying to sell me the strategy for like a good 2 months, okay? Telling me as WPAT that we should support them on their account to actually get a funded account started on one of the EAs. Well, quick story short is this, or long story short is this. Basically, what his request was is that $2,000 is the bare minimum to start it off. And the client was asking that WPAT actually invests with him on the system, okay? Now, at the end of the day, obviously we rejected it, okay? 2 months after, he decided to actually use parts of his funds. But I kept on telling him, don't do it. Don't do it yet, okay? Because we know nothing about this trader. And guess what? I ended up telling him to use a demo account, and then what happened is I gave that EA dude, right, the demo account. Guess what? 2 weeks, that's all it took for the system to blow up. And guess what the excuse was? It's a demo account. The EA reads different data. It's only suitable for real accounts. I know all of you out there may think this is crazy, okay, and that it is obviously a sign of a possible scam, or at least the EA doesn't work. Well, dear all, my client ended up persuading me again, okay? So, obviously they trust a lot of what they see online. Well, anyways, if you trust people without giving you real proof of their own funds being traded by their own systems, okay, if you're willing to give them that opportunity and chance, then I have to ask you for a little bit of your time. Just give me 10 minutes to actually show you traders that actually put their own money where their mouth is and showing us their own accounts with their own funds on their own strategies. I think these people may just be a little bit more trustworthy, okay? All right, so anyways, Forex is traded on margin. It is a risky market, okay? It may not be suitable for everyone. So do tread carefully in Forex. We're not providing any financial advice over here, so if you guys are looking for financial advice, I'm not the right person for you, okay? Look for somebody else. But at the end of the day, when you're investing money, okay, always look after your money, okay? Follow the people that actually care about your money and not just care about you paying anyone first, okay, to actually prove on your own account if the strategies work. Please don't be fooled. All right. So today's strategies, what are they? Let's quickly take a look. Okay. All right. So for today, okay. Let's see. Oh, sorry, wrong page. Here we are. Okay, done. So here is basically the strategy showcase for the week. 3 strategies. We've got the investor passwords over here. Okay, one second. All right, so how to check out the investor passwords? What you got to do is you have to actually go logging in, okay, with the data that we provided. So first, you copy paste the account number into the login area of the MT4, put the investor where the password is, and select your correct server. Okay, now once you're in, you shall actually see something like this. Okay, boom. We're in. Okay, so green buttons showing that we're online already. Okay, so this is the first strategy. Actually, this is a very familiar strategy. There's a lot of people that are actually copying this trader. Okay, actually this trader initially started off with low capital, right? It's what attracted a lot of people. I will share a bit of my thoughts about you know, the market and capital required. So anyways, currently with a floating loss of $12, okay, there are some open orders. There's a bunch of pending orders. Okay, let's take a look at the history. All right, all history. Okay, this account was a transfer, okay, from another account. So started with $371. I'm sure there were more deposits, okay? Let's take a look. Overall deposit is $1,371.45. Total profit incurred, a total of $1,238, almost doubling the account. Almost doubling, which is not bad. Okay, so VS8784 trades strictly GBP USD with a fixed lot size. You see, it always trades 0.01. So let's actually quickly take a look. We should remove all of this. This is just getting hectic. Delete. Oh my gosh. Delete indicator. Done. All right. So we're just gonna take a look. Let's take a look at let's see, last week. Okay. So last week means today. It apparently. That's weird. See, start on the 19th. Okay, let's start from the 13th. Let's see. All right, total profit as of last week made $46. Okay. All right, well, let's take a look from the first. So far this whole month has incurred a total profit of $128. Not bad. All right, so then last 3 months. Last 3 months means that it started in September. It made $500 in profits. 520. Okay, so month per month, it seems like it's profitable overall. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at the trades that are existent. See, so it seems to almost trade like a grid system, right? If you look at it, let's actually put the grid. Let's take a look. Okay, it's not really a grid system. I mean, the spaces in between do vary, okay, but it's quite interesting. Almost like a grid system, but not a definite grid, which is a good thing, because if it was a definite grid, then it would literally have a lot more orders. But it's, you know what, it's close enough. I'm going to call it a grid system. All right. Okay, so it trades sort of like grid-like, which is very interesting. All right, and it closes with trailing stop as well. So overall, it should be profitable, okay? But of course, if you did follow, let's say, orders that were halfway through, and then let's say the ending orders you were never followed, then overall, maybe it will not be profitable, okay? That's the problem with copy trading. But overall, if you followed from the first order to the last, if it actually closes overall in profit, your account would be too. All right, so that's the first strategy, VS8784. Okay, let's take a look at the next strategy, VS1502. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so just for all of you out there who are not sure what to input, okay, so for the login is where you put the MT4 account number. Okay, for the password is where you actually put the investor password, and then for the server, just copy paste it or select the correct server and log in. Okay. Okay, so we're looking at VS1502. Currently, it's on a floating loss of minus $88. See this over here? 85 now, so it's coming back. Okay, this trades AUDCHF. Okay, so this trades AUDCHF, the Aussie franc. It also has some pending orders. Oh, very interesting. Okay, and let's take a look at the whole report history of this account. Okay, so this account started with 2,500 in last year actually in October, so this is actually more than a year. Okay, so it trades only AUDCHF all the way until last week, or now actually, with a total deposit of 2,500, making total profit of $5,625. Okay, that's very impressive actually. The profit level, it more than doubled the account, right? Actually, yeah, it actually tripled, if anything, right? It made twice the deposit back, so that's good. Okay, so if you're looking for something that's actually stable, what I mean by stable is that it doesn't trade all that much lot size. Yeah, I think this may be good for you. Okay. Yeah, but take a look. It's trading 0.01 lots and 0.02 on a balance of 5,000, right? So it's quite conservative. Okay, so if you want like stable profits, possibly daily profits as well, let's take a look. Yeah, every single day it seems like it has closing orders and profits. So this could be a strategy that may be for you, okay? Considering that your balance will almost be the same, okay? Because if your balance is not the same and you're going to be copy trading it, there is going to be two outcomes. One is that if you're going to copy it the conservative way, you're not going to possibly get any trades, okay? Unless it starts opening larger lot sizes. Now the second model is that you're going to copy trade order per order. Then at the end of the day, maybe due to the ratio aspect, you know, your risk is way higher than the original account because of your capital not being the same. Okay, but all in all, copy trading has the exciting part about using lower capital to copy, right? Anyway, let's take a look month per month, see what happened. Okay, so last week, what did this strategy do? All right, it made a profit. Okay, so starting from the 13th, it made a total profit of $1,301 or $132. Okay, if I round that up. If you guys are in Canada, you guys would totally get what I mean. There's no pennies used now. All right, and then November. As the whole of November, did it profit? It did. Oh, just keep on jumping away. Okay. Profit $214.44. All right, now last 3 months, let's take a look. So from September to now. Okay. It did the same profit as the whole of November? Is that even possible? Okay, no. Oh, all right. So, let's quickly take a look. It seems like there was a month that's not that promising. Okay, so from September till now, it actually locked in at a total profit of $46. Potential meaning that one of the months was negative. Okay. All right, so let's quickly take a look. Okay, 1502. Okay. All right, so overall, 1502, let's take a look at the stats. It's made a 239% profit growth. Okay, and yeah, you see October wasn't a very good month. It went negative. But the good thing is, if you actually only started in November, kudos to you. Okay, but if you actually started in September, you're fine too, because you locked in at least a profit of $40, $46. Let's take a look if it's overall profiting. Yeah, so far so good. Only 2 negative months throughout the span of almost a year, right? A year and a month. Yeah, 2 negative months totaling with only a what, minus 7% and then a minus 10%. So like what, 18%? Okay, the rest every single month is profitable. So that's good. Okay. All right. Well, the next strategy, let's take a look, is VS3429. We've seen this one before. It's one of my favorites, and you'll know why. Because the capital is very easy for entry, and at least I could feel safe, you know, copy trading it. All right. So basically, it starts with $300. Okay, the strategy started with $300 as of July, and has made a total profit of. Okay, it keeps on jumping up. Why do you do that? Okay, made a total profit of $464.76. So it actually doubled the initial capital. So that's good. And in a span of July till now. So look, if I wanted my money to grow, I think this could be something I want to try. But then, you know, knowing that it is such low capital, always the risk is way higher, right? Because look, it starts with 0.01 and it has $300, while these other traders are opening up 0.01 at like $3,000, $5,000. All right, so that's something to consider as well. Okay, let's take a look at the MyFX book stats for this trader. Oh, sorry, we should do month per month, right? So, all right, 1 week. Let's take a look. 1 week profit, $17. Look, if it was $300, me profiting $17, I'm happy. All right, so the whole of November, it's generated at a $56 growth, $56 profit. Okay, it's good. It's more than, you know, more than what I'm wishing for, right? If I invested with something like a mutual fund. All right, so then September till now, 3 months. Okay, so the 3 months, it's generated $293 in profit. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good, right? Considering that this account made a total of $400-something profit. Okay, so it seems like it only has pending orders, and then when it reaches, it places. So this is actually quite a conservative approach. So I'm sure this probably does some like long-term analysis or something. You see, even the trades, they don't happen every single day. See, 13th, and then you jump to the 10th, and then you have the 9th, great, cool, 8th. And then look, 8th, 2nd to the 8th, it's like no trades. All right, and then okay, the 30th, and then 27. Okay, goes to 19. See? So, you know what? If you're looking for something that does not open a ton of lots, okay, or a ton of trades, then this might be for you. Okay, so let's jump on and take a look at the MyFX book. 3429. 3429. Okay, so 3429 has generated a growth of 154% growth. Updated an hour ago, started with $300. Okay, every single month right now seems to be profitable. That's good. And it trades only Euro USD. And it seems like it started with USD CAD before as well. Alright, so Euro USD it is. Okay, so if you like Euro USD and you're looking for maybe something that's more conservative, then hey, maybe this copy trading might just be for you. Okay, so that's it for today, right? You guys will be receiving the emails on a weekly basis of the featured traders. Okay, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please just press some of those buttons on YouTube down below. Okay, you'll get the latest notifications. And also, there's some links for you to actually subscribe to join WPAT's big family. And we're here to try to generate as much profits as possible by verifying traders that can really make profits on their own account. So if you want to actually jump on this journey with us, feel free to join our Telegram, where you will actually get to see the investor passwords every single day. And if you have any good traders that you want us to try to verify, reach out to us, write an email to us, or find us on Telegram. Let us know the trader, and let's test it out. Okay? All right, well, that's it for today. Thanks.